Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. Today we're diving into a topic that many people don't talk about enough: the myths and misconceptions about CPAP therapy. If you've recently been diagnosed with sleep apnea or just started using CPAP, you've probably heard things like CPAP is too loud, you'll become dependent, or you will never sleep naturally again. Well, let's separate facts from fiction and help you feel more confident about your therapy. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow Oxigo on social media. We share weekly tips to help you get the most out of your CPAP and oxygen therapy. CPAP is loud and keeps you awake. This used to be true 20 years ago, but modern CPAP machines are designed to be quiet. Many produce less than 30 decibels, which is quieter than a whisper. In fact, a lot of users say that gentle sound even helps them fall asleep. If your machine is noisy, it might need cleaning or filter replacement or repositioning. So place the machine on a soft mat or lower shelf to reduce vibration. You'll become dependent on CPAP. Let's be clear. CPAP isn't addictive. You don't become dependent. You simply get used to breathing properly during sleep. The truth is, your body already struggles without CPAP because of the sleep apnea, and CPAP just gives your airway the support it needs, like glasses for your vision. If you stop using it, the sleep apnea doesn't go away. The symptoms come back. So no, CPAP doesn't cause dependency. Sleep apnea does. If I stop snoring, I'm cured. Snoring is often a sign of sleep apnea, but no snoring doesn't mean no sleep apnea. You could still be having breathing pauses at night without making any noise. Only a proper sleep test, like the WatchPad 1, which you will find on our website, can confirm if the apneas are gone. So don't use snoring as your only measure of success. Track how you feel during the day and monitor your therapy data if available. All CPAP masks are uncomfortable. It's true, some people struggle with the mask at first, but that doesn't mean that all masks are uncomfortable. There are dozens of designs like nasal pillows, nasal masks, full face masks, and options with soft cushions, mask liners, and even gel pads. The key is finding the right mask for your face and sleep position, and yes, sometimes it takes a bit of trial and error. And at Oxigo, we offer a wide range of masks and accessories to help you get the comfort you need. CPAP is only for older people. Not at all. Sleep apnea can affect anyone: women, men, younger adults, even children in some cases, and risk factors include being overweight, smoking, nasal or jaw structure, genetics. So if you're in your 30s, or even 20s and using CPAP, you are not alone. In fact, treating sleep apnea early can prevent a lot of future health issues. CPAP is too complicated to travel with. Not true. Most CPAP machines are small, portable, and approved for air travel. You can bring them on planes, use them in hotels, and even camp with a battery. We have travel-friendly machines, CPAP batteries, and compact accessories at oxigo.co, so you never miss a night wherever you are. So, let's recap. CPAP isn't noisy, it's not addictive, snoring isn't the only sign, masks can be comfortable, and it's for people of all ages, and yes, you can travel with it. If you heard any of these myths before, now you know the truth. If you want help choosing the right mask or getting started with CPAP therapy, check out our website oxigo.co or explore the videos on our channel for more tips. If this video helped clear up your doubts, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.